morning, everybody. So, as you guys can see, I'm just going to take a walk through the grounds. The other videos I've done, basically, were just walking through the resort, the amenities, the restaurants, the different things that you can do in Catalonia Gran Dominicus. So today I figure it's around 7:15 in the morning. You guys can see very few people walking through the grounds. You can see staff early in the morning getting ready to do cleaning of rooms or whatnot, just walking towards the one of the restaurants that has the buffet. But as I said, very few people. 7:15 in the morning, I basically like to do my morning walks whenever I'm on vacation, wherever I go. I enjoy getting up early in the morning. It's nice and quiet and peaceful before the ruckus starts, and just enjoy the very early morning sun. Obviously, I'm not the only one. Other people are walking as well and just starting their day early. And just passing to my right here, guys, Tano is one of the restaurants, buffet style, serving breakfast, lunch, dinner. Really good food, really good food. Breakfast is phenomenal. A lot of great selection, juices, fresh juices, really nice. So we're just going to take the path and go to the beach. As you guys can see, morning staff just going about their business. Early morning. On the right hand side here is a daycare center, and we're going to pass two of the restaurants on the resort. But I just love this morning scenery. Oh my God, it's so quiet and peaceful. But like I was saying, two restaurants, Yucca and Rodeo Steakhouse. The Rodeo Steakhouse we went to for dinner was not impressed. Look at this, is great. Yucca is a Caribbean style restaurant. Heard it was pretty good. Haven't gone yet, but we plan on to. Just gonna go through this pathway here and catch the beach. I just love this peaceful, guys. It's so quiet. It's so beautiful. The scenery, the sounds, the birds, just gorgeous. Really is. On the right hand side here is a where all the activities happening: snorkeling, diving, kayaking, and there's an outdoor massage area here. But just gonna sneak through here, and here's the beach, guys. 7:30 in the morning, 7:15, 7:30 in the morning. This is one side of the pier. This is where the resort ends, basically. And then another resort is next door. This is the pier. Look at this water, guys. So beautiful. So quiet, so calm. So clean, right? In the deep end is going to walk to, by the way. This is the other pier where the other resort begins. So this beach is where the Catalonia Dominican beach is. I'm going to walk to. But saying about the water, guys, look how beautiful it is, how clean. The sand is spectacular. And by the way, we came here after recommendation. Instead of going to Punta Cana, some friends told us basically go to this side, Catalonia. We heard that Punta Cana has a lot of seaweed. Catalonia has none, as you guys can see. I'm sorry, I just keep getting distracted by the beauty of this. It's just gorgeous, but it's spectacular. It's clean, no seaweed whatsoever. The way the ocean, the water, is just basically, washing the shore, and the sand is just spectacular. To the left-hand side here, sorry, there's a Spanish, the backside of the Spanish tapas restaurant, which planning on putting another video in here. We had dinner late afternoon, early evening hour right there, outdoors. And let me tell you, when you see the scenery as the sunset goes down and having dinner outside by the water, it's just spectacular. But once again, just I am in awe. Probably one of the best beaches that we've been to. And there's a lot of great beaches, but it's not, I don't know how long it is, but it's really, really awesome. Waters are spotless, no rocks, sand. You walk into the water, I don't know how long, you go for a swim into the water. You basically walk through the water, I don't know, 50 yards, 100 yards, I don't know. It's just all sand, guys. Spectacular. I think the video can capture some of it, but believe me, unless you get here and you witness it, words cannot really justify it. And for that matter, even the video that I'm capturing, I'm almost capturing everything okay. Just fantastic. So let me just be quiet a little bit and have you guys take the scenery. So as you guys are watching this walk through the beach, we have crossed over right now to the Dominican La Romana, I'm almost positive what it's called, which is a resort right next to Dominican's Catalonia Gran Dominicus. So the Dominicus La Romana, we're walking right in front of that beach right now. It's almost, I guess they share beaches, they're right next to one another. You can go to the beach or you can go next door and have dinner or drinks to the restaurants or the meal as long as you pay. So we're gonna go and walk on the pier. It's the beach here is a little more, as you guys can see, a little more, it just kind of drops in front of the Dominicus La Romana. It's not as flat as the Catalonia Gran Dominicus. Just go on here. So I'm going to walk on the pier. I don't know what this resort is. I don't know if it's the same one. So during the night here, they actually, you guys can see the tables here, so you can have a full dining experience at night on the pier here. By the way, beautiful water. Look at the water, just gorgeous, so beautiful. But yep, at night you can come and you can have dinner, and if you think the view is spectacular now, at night it's just as gorgeous. They light it up with candle lights, and you can come and you can have dinner. It's really quite a bit of beautiful dining experience. I don't think, no matter what I say, guys, I don't think that I can describe how beautiful it is in its full accuracy, or how it deserves to be. Look at this. The morning sun, I mean, it's just breathtaking, guys. Look how beautiful the water is. I know I keep saying it, but the video, I don't think it's going to do justice. This is the Catalonia Gran Dominicus side to the left, as you guys can see. I want to start working back now, give you a perspective of what it looks like the other way. As you guys can see, the buildings to the left from the Dominicus La Romana resort, and panning to the left, I just have to stop and just, listen, guys, I am in awe the way it looks. Just look at this water, just amazing. Like I said, words cannot describe how beautiful it is. And as I said, these are the buildings for the Dominicus La Romana resort, which is next door. So, giving you a different perspective of what it looks like. I can't give you feedback on the Dominicus La Romana resort. Haven't stayed there yet, but it looks beautiful. The beach seems to be a little more steep, as I said before. I kind of prefer the beach on our side, the Catalonia Gran Dominicus, where we're staying. Kind of prefer that side. There's a lot more beach, it seems. This seems to be a little more steep, and it just drops. I believe our side is much better. So from the beach evaluation, I believe that the Catalonia Gran Dominicus beach is much better than this. But all in all, it's just beautiful, especially in the morning. I shouldn't say especially. It's beautiful in the morning. It's beautiful during the day when the sun is really hot. Actually, it's hot all the time. And then, of course, at night. Please make sure you watch the other videos I'm going to be posting. I'm trying to concentrate on the beach in this one, but when you guys see the views during the night with the outdoor restaurants, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Just an all-around great experience. So as we're walking now back towards the Catalonia Gran Dominicus side, this is right about where it starts. You guys can see how the beach kind of evens out. There's more beach area. I kind of prefer that. So just walking, giving you a different perspective. When I walk to the other pier, that is the Iberostar Hacienda Dominicus, which is the resort on the other side where we're staying. And as I said before, right now I'm walking across into the Catalonia Gran Dominicus side where we're staying. And like I said, I prefer this beach. So on the beach review between the three, which are Catalonia Gran Dominicus, where we're staying, the Iberostar Hacienda, which starts by the pier as I'm walking there, and the Dominicus La Romana, I believe, in my opinion, this might be the better beach of the three. Just a great experience. Just the water is so calm. I love it. So as you guys can see, this pier is much different than the other one, but the views are just as spectacular. The water, the color, the calmness is just as amazing. But this pier is different than the other one. The other one had tables where you could sit and have dinner at night. This is more just to walk and enjoy the view. Nice gazebo, just to look at the ocean. Endless aqua and blue. Beautiful waters, spectacular views. Till the eye can see. And now as I start walking back, you can see a different angle, different perspective. To the right is Catalonia Gran Dominicus, where we're staying. To the left is the Iberostar Hacienda Dominicus, the other resort. Hey, listen, if you can get down to the Dominican Republic, come to Catalonia instead of Punta Cana and enjoy this, it's all good. At the end of the day, it's beautiful all around. Different choices for different people, different amenities, I guess. And at the end of the day, no matter where you decide to stay, I believe it will be a fantastic experience. As we're watching the lighthouse, to give you guys an idea, walking back towards the end of the pier. Hey, listen, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, hit the notification bell so you can see the next video I'm going to drop. And it's all good, guys, in the pursuit of the endless summer.